My name is Lance Clifcorn, and this is my semester project for CE 3301 Stochastic Models for Civil Engineers on the variability in the weight of Kroger chicken nuggets in my freezer, where I will build a confidence interval for the average weight of a single chicken nugget. So my variable is going to be the weight of a single frozen Kroger chicken nugget, and for the conditions, checking independence, there are 72 nuggets in the bag, so in order for N to be less than 10% of the population, N had to equal 7 nuggets, and to ensure that the nuggets are randomly chosen, I used the lottery method, and then for normality, we'll check that when we see the data. So in the lottery method, what I would do is I would shake up the bag to mix up the nuggets, and then randomly select them blindly by reaching into the bag, and then weigh each nugget one by one on a scale with a readability to the nearest whole gram. Looking at the data, and with N being less than 30, there's no clear outliers, and so therefore we can assume a nearly normal distribution. First calculation is going to be calculating the sample mean, where we get 20.14 grams. Then we're going to calculate the standard deviation, which is just the square root of the variance, and we get 1.35 grams. And then using the standard deviation of the sample, we can approximate the standard error, which is 0.51. And then for the degrees of freedom, we'll have 6. And then for T-star, I simply plugged it into Excel in order to get a better value. With that, we can calculate the confidence interval. On the interval, we get 18.89 to 21.39. And interpreting this, we can conclude that according to the data, at a 95% confidence level, the average weight of a single Kroger chicken nugget in my freezer is at a minimum 18.89 grams and at maximum 21.39 grams. So for my recommendations, first of all, I would use a better scale for the readability to the 10th or 100th decimal place for grams to get more accurate and better, more precise results. And secondly, a better method of randomly sampling the nuggets out of the bag, because there could have still been some selection bias in my method. Even though I was using the lottery method, there still could have been a subconscious bias to my choosing of the nuggets. And with that, thank you.